boys and girls, we're back again, and today's adventure is going to lead us to order of operations. Now, order of operations is very important because if you don't follow the correct order when you perform your calculations, you're not going to get the correct answer. Let's take a look at some strategies to follow order of operations correctly. Well, boys and girls, let's take a look at order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. Now, this concept should not be new to you. It should be review, but we need to practice it. And let's start out by first talking about what order of operations is. It's simply a universal rule used in mathematics to clarify which operations should be performed first, or what order, which operators have prominence over the others. And let's take a look at our operators. Our first operator, which we really don't think of as an operator, is parentheses, and I'm going to put a P there with parentheses around it. And there's actually, we could refer to this as groupings. There's more than just parentheses. We also have braces and brackets, and we'll take a look at them later. Our next operator is exponents. I'm going to put an E there with an exponent up top. We just learned about exponents. Exponents are simply an operator that causes us to do repeated multiplication. Our exponent up here, the little number that's floating in the upper right hand corner of our base number, tells us how many times our base number is a factor. And then we have good old multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. Now, the reason why I used this arrow as our graphic organizer to put our different operators in order is because it's pointing from left to right, and it shows the order of most importance. We start out with parentheses or groupings. That's the most important. We have to take care of those first. They have the highest rank. The next rank would be exponents. You have to take care of exponents. And then when we get to multiplication and division, they're stacked on each other. They kind of share the same rank. One's not more important than the other, and the way you determine which one to do first is you just read left to right. If you have multiplication and division operators in the same expression, whichever one comes first when you're reading left to right, that's the operator that you do first. And that's the same thing when you come to addition and subtraction. One does not have prominence or a higher rank than the other. They're equal. So whichever one comes first, left to right, that's the operation that you will do first. Okay, now I think you're familiar with this mnemonic device we have for order of operations. We take P, E, M, D, A, and S. And to help us remember parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, we just have a little mnemonic device. And we'll say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now some of you are saying, oh, I remember this. And that's good that you do remember this. So please, once again, stands for our parentheses. As well as braces, or I should say brackets and braces. We will also have exponents. You know, these good old things like x to the second power or 5 to the third power or cubed. I think you're quite familiar with exponents. We will also have good old multiplication and division. And last, addition and subtraction. And let's try a practice problem together. Here's a good one. Let me slide this up a little bit. Well, boys and girls, here we have a sample problem, and we're going to try it two ways. We're going to try it the right way and the wrong way. The right way, using order of operations. We have 3 plus 4 divided by 2
times, and when you have a number that is squished up against a parentheses, that's implying multiplication. So we have 2 times the difference of 6 and 4 to the third power. Well, according to order of operations, parentheses comes first. And 6 minus 4 is 2. We bring down the exponent. So right here I'm going to write 2. I'm going to write parentheses. Okay, we did parentheses first. We bring down the rest of our mathematical information. Okay, according to order of operations, exponents comes next, and we do have an exponent, 2 to the third power. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So we took care of exponents. Okay, we bring down the rest of our mathematical information. And then we look for multiplication, division, and we have both. We have division and multiplication. We will do our division first, because it comes first, left to right. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 8. And then we have 3 over here with an addition sign. So we did division next. After division, we still have multiplication to do. Multiplication comes before addition. 2 times 8 is 16. So there's our multiplication. I crossed my L, sorry about that. And finally we have 3 plus 16. We need to do our addition next. 3 plus 16 is 19, and that is our answer. And that is our correct answer. But let's say we just felt like doing it however we felt like doing it. And let's say we start out by going left to right. I'm just going to do addition first. 3 plus 4, that would give us the sum of 7. And I bring down the rest of my information, divide by 2 times 6 minus 4. Okay, and then let's keep going left to right. 7 divided by 2. I know that if I take 7, half of 7 is going to be 3.5 or 3.5. Okay, bring down the rest of my information. Okay, and then I think I'll go inside the parentheses now. 6 minus 4 is 2 to the third power. Okay, I'm multiplying that. Well, I know that 3.5 times 2, that'll give me 7. And then 7 to the third power, 7 times 7 is 49, and 49 times 7 is 343. Not even close to 19. That is wrong. This is just the wrong way to do math. Okay, we don't want to do it that way. We don't want to just say, hey, I feel like doing it this way today. That will get us the wrong answer. We need to follow order of operations. That will not steer us the wrong way, and we will come up with the right solution. Well, let's do some more practice problems.
Hello, boys and girls. I hope that was helpful. And remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That should help you with order of operations. See you later. Bye-bye.